Hello, I'm Jibrael and we'll continue with our previous video on animation. Now we'll talk about dashboards. Dashboards can be added by adding a small icon here at the bottom which looks like a plus with a plus in it. I click on it and it opens a new dashboard. And as you can see, the dashboard, the sheets which we have already created are already there. Let us drag one of them in. Okay. Sometimes in a dashboard, these filters may not be very useful. So you may decide to remove those filters from here. Now let us add one more. Let's say I want to add economy. And when I pull it, it can come on the left side, right side, bottom, top. As of now, let's put it on the left hand side. Now, suppose we want to split any one of them. We could use these objects which are there on the side. So suppose I want to do a split. I could also drag this in, and when I put it here, it splits this into two parts, and now an empty slot has been created. And we could pull in a new one, technology one. I can pull it into that box which we created. So this is a very simple way of creating the dashboard. Now if you notice, the size is going beyond our screen. Size settings can be done. We have to keep in mind dashboards are created for different devices. So you may create a dashboard on the laptop, but some of your clients may see it on a mobile phone. So we need to plan what sizing we prefer. But as of now, for this lab purposes, I'm going to set it as automatic, and it fits into the sheet. And you will notice, because last class we had done a setting for animation, even now as we are changing things, things are moving here in an animated form. You can see the bar graphs moving in that economy one. But keep in mind, this filter is applied only on this economy one because it came along with that particular sheet. The sheet which was created earlier had those filters, and the same sheets have now come into our dashboard. We'll call it dash 1. Let's create one more and see how it works. You guys can call it dash 2. So very simple. We pull something in. We bring the next one down, up, left, right, top. Let's bring it to the top. We could also add a web page. Suppose a link to the website of this particular company, maybe an indicator of the stock market, how it's doing. But any web page can be pulled in by dragging this and giving a URL. Let's say the URL is, for simplicity, I'm taking google.com, but you could give any URL which works for you, which is relevant and to be shown. And now the Google page is coming here. Similarly, you could have put the stock market prices or whatever works for you, but a link to a web page is possible here. And this link could be dynamically done also, that we click something here and the link here will change and a new page will get displayed. We could also add an image, and I will try adding an image. I'll take an image and I'll put it, let's say, in this corner. Though keep in mind, image will be static. It will remain the same. And suppose I take one image. And I say center image, or rather fit image. And I say apply. Okay. And that image has come here. But do keep in mind, this image will not change as we change the filters or change something else. It's going to be static. So we saw how to create a dashboard, how to pull in things, how to remove them if required. By simply clicking this cross sign, we could remove them. How to add a web page and how to add an image into your dashboard. Thank you. With that, we come to the end of this short video on dashboard. I request you to try making 3-4 dashboards, trying out different stuff and seeing what happens. Thank you.